Hey DJ, can you tell me your name and what you do at Pinnacle?
Sure. So I'm DJ Penix. I'm the president of Pinnacle Solutions, and so we've been a partner with SAS for over 14 years.
Great. And what are the areas of the latest development that you're doing relating to the BI server on the SAS 9.2 or 9.3 moving forward?
Yeah. So we've been working with a lot of customers on the latest technologies, the BI server with the portal, the Web Report Studio, but also have been taking advantage of the open APIs to the metadata that SAS offers. Not a lot of people don't really realize that they offer those standards, so you can build some very sophisticated applications that leverage the metadata standards that SAS creates. So we've been working with a lot of those solutions, different mobile devices, portal applications, web applications, and anything that you might need to use SAS with.
What is the advantages of using the BI server to manage your programs or stored processes and data sets compared to the old days where we just have a live name from a security standpoint?
Yeah, so security is a big point in that with the metadata, it does offer a much more robust security schema. And so they've got the management tools in there that will allow you to do security at the report, folder, table, row, and level, level access. So security is very much robust. The other advantage is the standardization of packages. So for instance, if you created a standard report, you can create it in a bundle, a stored process, and it can be deployed to the web, to a client interface such as Enterprise Guide or Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint and so on. So by creating those standard metadata packages, they can be reusable, and it really reduces the amount of maintenance time for development and build.
Yeah, I know that you guys also develop tools such as Futurix that uses this metadata server and taps into the power of the API. What are some of the things that you're currently working on to take advantage of the metadata server?
Sure. So it again revolves around primarily the stored processes, and that SAS is incredibly sophisticated and that you can do some very complex analysis with it. But with some of these other applications, we've very much streamlined the user interface, try to make it very much simplified so that you don't have to have a SAS programmer with 10 years experience, right? Trying to create interfaces that with one or two clicks of a button can get a very fast and efficient report, right? So we then cross those together so that an organization can very quickly roll out within weeks, or even days to expose SAS information to an entire organization. And once they've then got that foundation and start building that up, then you can now implement some of the more complex analyses for statistical forecasting and things like that. So, but it all revolves around primarily the key piece is the stored process. That's a reusable package on the metadata platform.
That's great. I know that you're also looking into developing and partnering with developing mobile devices. Can you briefly describe what your vision is of mobile computing as maybe from the BlackBerry's perspective, how you see SAS being implemented in that way?
Sure. And so with technologies today, everybody just is very information hungry. They want things at the tip of their buttons. And my 8-year-old daughter has been requesting a BlackBerry or an iPhone because she just loves technology. So with that, we've been working on building an application that will allow customers to click of a button on their BlackBerry or iPhone to get reports and information that what SAS can do. And so some of the other things that we're working on looking forward is a proactive push technology where you don't actually have to go out and look for reports and information. It actually alerts your phone and gives you a status message if certain quality thresholds or whatever your organization KPI, key metric is that you're looking to do. So if it meets a threshold, it will alert you and change the status of your icon. You can click on it and immediately find the status of what your business is, all using the power of SAS on a mobile device.
Now, as the SAS on the server side, were you thinking more of doing it using the traditional live name, or are you tapping into the power of the BI server as well?
Actually, we're pretty flexible. We understand that there are some customers who are still under the old configuration of the server. Our idea and our vision is, though, to integrate with the metadata as well. So we've been very flexible to incorporate both paths for it, because we realize that some organizations may not be there yet with some of the most sophisticated tools that SaaS has to offer.
Great. All right, thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.